The Adaptive RSI Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, you select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and then click the OK button. From the Navigator section, you select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart. Run the indicator. Enable Allow DLL Imports. Oscillator window opens. Adaptive RSI reduces RSI fluctuations for better accuracy in identifying overbought and oversold areas. When the indicator is running on the chart, a 5-column indicator opens for us at the bottom of the chart. The Adaptive RSI Indicator uses a special algorithm to smooth classic RSI fluctuations for better accuracy in identifying overbought and oversold areas. Traders easily identify bullish and bearish market trends using this indicator. Display settings include a custom template with light, dark, and custom modes. Selecting light applies a light template to the chart, as shown. In the input section, 2 options are available: display settings and indicator settings. Display settings offer modes light, dark, and custom. Selecting light applies a light template to the chart. Choosing dark applies a dark template, and custom keeps your template running the indicator on the chart. Indicator settings let you adjust the period, defaulted to 14. By selecting the light option, a light template is created on the object chart, a template that is placed on the chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart, and, by selecting the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and only displays the indicator on the chart. The next section is the indicator settings, where you can set the indicator period, which is set to 14 by default. Here, I'm selecting the dark template and setting the period to 21 for this indicator. And then I'll click the OK button. My chart template has changed, and my RSI period has also been updated. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.